Now, sometimes the customer like add the notch on the curve, then grading the notch. I will introduce how to grading the notch. For example, now I use the choose notch. You move to here, stop on the curve. Now left click the mouse. Now you can see here have one notch. Now right click the mouse to finish. Now I use the grading tools. I select. You can see now this is a problem. Cannot grading. This is not grading function. So how to grading the notch? So I use the same tools. Stop this point. Now right click the mouse. Now when you can see this point become red point, then you again use the same tools. Select the tools. Now left select left click the mouse and select this point. Now you can see point scale set like this. Now in here you're writing 1. Another situation, I click here. Wait, I should grading another 2 point together. You can see the effect now. I grading this point. Now you can see this effect. Now I again select here, reset. You can see all this notch in the same position. Now I make it. Now it's display clear. Now I select here. I writing 1. So follow this point. It's move 1 cm. In vertical direction 0.5. You can see now it's moving. Now if you writing all is 0, then like this. Now if -1, then like this way. So this is how to grading the notch. Now you select select here to show the grain sewing line, not grain. Now this is grain line. You can see the grain sewing line. Sorry, the sewing line. If you select again, we only can see the inside the line, cannot see the outside sewing line. We also can check this notch from this point to this point, the length. Use the tools. You left click this point, then click this lane, then click another point. You can see. Now you can see like this.